Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how we can use classes, how we can access a particular class in the HTML section. So let's see, this is site, okay, and this is main. So here is no duplicate classes. So let's check this section, okay. So here we have fake image, fake image, fake image. This is the three div with the same class name. So how we can access this? So first of all, let's clear all this and find soup is equals to find all, and here we are going to give div and just okay. So fake image, okay. So this is the variable name and soup dot and print. Let's just check what the data we have got, fake image, and just run it. So we have got all the div present in this code. So now we want only the divs with the class name as fake image. So let's just do it. Okay, so let's create the class. Okay, so by default the class variable is present is a keyword which is available for Python, so we are going to use, so this is the class which is so we are going to take fake image and just run it. Okay, let's just run it. Okay, so here you can see, okay, let's clear it. Okay, so here is all the variables which have the name fake image. So how you can access this, and this is how you can use this. After that, let's just, okay, let's get this, okay. So let's divide the side section itself. So let's take first this side, okay, side, and just find, okay. So we are going to get the first one and we are going to apply the operations, how to access, okay, just how we can access by using, okay. So for example, if you want to get the paragraph and header tag inside it, so for example, let's just say, okay, we need to access the text inside the paragraph tag. So here you can see we have two paragraph, okay, one, two, okay. So let's just take fake image, we are using the same p dot text. So what will happen here, let's see. So it is giving us the result of all the text. Let's just do dot and on, no, it's giving the result of the first element, so sorry, first element in this tag, sum, and we can do that, okay. Let's just paragraph. So we have already taken the fake image dot p dot, okay, so just p, okay, and here it is, and just print, we will print the paragraph dot text. This is the another way we can do it. So that's it for this video, and this is I know this video is very short. In the next video we will cover in more details how to crawl and actual website in the BeautifulSoup, and we are going to in the upcoming video we are also going to see the Selenium module also. So thank you, keep watching, and please do like, comment and share. Thank you.